everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you the cutest gift bags I have found. Let me tell you that these thank you gift bags are so unique and adorable. This is a bulk of 50 pieces. It comes with the tissue paper and it comes with a hang tag. I want you to pay attention to the details. This has a thank you sign in the front and in the back. You see the quality of the paper bag and you see the quality of the hang tags. It's so thoughtful that they even included the tissue paper. So you have everything at home if you're looking to prepare a beautiful gift. No need to go around buying everything separately. I highly recommend you getting this gift bags in bulk. You'll save yourself from having to run to the store, from getting stressed. These are unique, these are wonderful, but that's just my point of view.